Welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. If you are planning to buy an electric two-wheeler or electric car, or if you are planning to start your charging station business in Maharashtra, I think this is the right time you can start, because the government has announced a new draft electric vehicle policy 2021 for the people of Maharashtra. So according to the policy, people who will buy electric two-wheelers, electric three-wheelers and electric four-wheelers will get incentives. For example, electric two-wheeler buyers, based on the battery capacity, they will get a minimum subsidy amount of 10,000 rupees, whereas the maximum subsidy amount is up to 42,000 rupees. Also for electric three-wheeler buyers, the maximum incentive amount is 30,000 rupees, whereas for electric car buyers, the maximum incentive amount is 1,50,000 rupees. Also for electric buses, the maximum incentive amount is 20 lakh rupees. It seems to be interesting, but let's dig it deeper to understand this scheme better. Okay, firstly, based on the battery capacity of an electric two-wheeler, the maximum subsidy is 10,000 rupees, whereas the government is giving a surprise to the electric two-wheeler buyers, offering an early bird discount. People who will buy electric two-wheeler on or before December 31st of 2021 will get an additional subsidy amount of up to 15,000 rupees. So based on the battery capacity, you will get an incentive amount of up to 25,000 rupees. So hurry up, go and buy an electric two-wheeler in Maharashtra and get these benefits, and there are more surprises for you. And the second one is about the scrappage incentive. In addition to the battery incentive, the government is also providing scrappage incentive. It is 7,000 rupees for electric two-wheeler and 15,000 rupees for electric three-wheeler and 25,000 rupees for electric four-wheeler. For example, if you are buying an electric car, government is providing 1,50,000 rupees of incentive. In addition to that, you will get extra 25,000 rupees of incentive on scrappage policy. And there is one more surprise for electric vehicle buyers from Maharashtra. It is about the assured buyback. If an electric vehicle company is offering assured buyback, again the government is providing 10,000 rupees of incentive on it. Also, any electric two-wheeler is offering 5-year battery pack warranty. Government is providing 6,000 rupees of incentive amount. So overall, if you calculate 10,000 plus 15,000 plus 7,000 plus this 10,000 rupees on this assured buyback, up to 42,000 rupees incentive benefits on buying an electric two-wheeler in Maharashtra. And it is similar to electric three-wheeler and more to electric four-wheeler. And finally, coming to the charging station business. For example, if you are planning to set up a fast charger, it will cost you around 10 lakh rupees. Now the government is providing 50% of the cost on your charging stations. If you're going to invest 10 lakh rupees on a fast charger, you will get an incentive amount of 5 lakh rupees. Otherwise, if you are planning to install a slow charger, the slow charger price around 10,000 rupees. Again, the government is providing 60,000 of the cost, which means 6,000 rupees you will get a cashback in the form of incentive amount. So people who are planning to enter into the charging station business, I think this is the right time to start, because the government is providing incentives on electric two-wheelers, electric three-wheelers, electric four-wheelers and also charging stations as well. The main objective of Maharashtra EV Policy 2021 is to convert at least 10% of the petrol vehicles into electric by 2025. And we are very confident that the people of Maharashtra will opt for electric. Not just Maharashtra, entire India is transforming towards electric vehicles. But people in Maharashtra, hurry up. This offer is valid for limited buyers. The two-wheeler offer is valid for the first 1 lakh buyers only, whereas the three-wheeler offer is valid for only the first 10,000 buyers. And finally, the four-wheeler offer is valid for the first 10,000 buyers. So these are some of the highlights of Maharashtra EV Policy 2021. And if you are interested to read the complete document, we will provide the link in the description below. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. For faster updates, please do follow our Facebook page. Go green, go electric.